Hello there again. If you have trouble booting up your motherboard to Windows, and you can see that your SSD or hard drive on BIOS screen, but it doesn't boot to Windows, or you cannot get it to work to get it loaded to Windows. This is what you need to do, so keep watching and I'll show you how to fix that issue. Now the motherboard on. I've already connected my SSD here. It's Windows pre-installed. My problem is it goes to BIOS and it's not going beyond that, so it's straight away goes to BIOS screen, and I'll show you. That's my SSD, Windows 10 pre-installed, and if you look at the boot priority, you cannot see the SSD in there. So all you have to do is go to advanced settings, advanced mode, and go to boot section and go to CSM section, which is compatibility support mode, and press enter, and launch CSM should be enabled, and boot device control should stay as legacy OP-ROM only, and boot from storage devices change to legacy only, and then hit F10, press OK, which means save and OK, and it will restart the motherboard, and now it should boot to Windows